Hello, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Snapchat account. Start off by clicking sign up, and it's going to ask you what your name is, and you put in your name and click continue. Then you put in your birthday. Snapchat will generate a username for you. You could also change it if you'd like. Afterwards, you set a password that is easy to remember but not too easy for anybody to hack into your account. On the last step, you're required to put in your phone number or your Gmail account or your email account. It could be the Yahoo account or Hotmail and all of that. After that's completed, you wait for a little while and you're recommended to add friends to your new Snapchat account. You could add as many as you'd like. I personally chose these. On top of that, it is recommended that you also create a Bitmoji, but this step could be entirely skipped. And there, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create a Snapchat account. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and have a good day.